Hello one and all. In this video we are discussing about the regulation of hexosamine pathway. It is regulated by various mechanisms. First is nutrient sensing. Hexosamine biosynthetic pathway flux increases with the high glucose via glycolysis and the high glutamine levels. Second is post translational regulation. GFAT1 is regulated by phosphorylation, specifically by enzyme protein kinase A, which tunes this feedback inhibition. Third is stress response. This pathway acts as a sensor during cellular stress, for example, ER stress, modulating integrated stress response to maintain homeostasis. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.